I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about the importance of not only job site testing, but documenting that testing. It really doesn't matter what type of test you do, you want to document it. Certainly you want to reference your flooring manufacturer's guidelines, make certain you're doing the proper testing for that manufacturer's product, along with the adhesive manufacturer and also the patch manufacturer. If you do not document that information, it's hard to prove later on if there's a failure related to moisture or alkalinity or anything like that. Documenting it using your cell phone will give you the date and time and even GPS location so you can prove that you actually did your testing. I always like to make notes also on a work order and then keep them in a job site binder, because that way you can pull it up and you can prove it. So remember, when you do your job site testing, document all of that. And at Taylor, we're with you every step.